Hi, I'm Bree, and I'm your instructor for this salt cell cleaning demo. First, put the pool in service mode and turn the power off at the breaker. Next, disconnect the salt cell power cable. Let air pressure out of the filter relief valve and remove the salt cell. Support the cell with one hand while disconnecting each side. Here, we can look at the white calcium buildup inside the cell. We will first give it a good rinse into a bucket to remove some calcium. As shown, ensure the non-cord side is the direction you spray into the cell. Connect the salt cell to the stand. It is now time to mix 4 parts water with 1 part muriatic acid as our salt cell cleaning solution. Here I made a bit more than needed, since the bubbles settle and I add more. You can start with 64 fluid ounces of water and 16 fluid ounces of acid to start, and mix more if needed. Note, always add acid to the water and not the other way around. Okay, now we pour the mixture solution into the salt cell, ensuring to cover the blades. Be careful, as it can bubble up quickly as you fill it. Here we will let it bubble up, and as the bubbles die down, we add a little more, creating more bubbles. Once all bubbles have subsided and the solution looks flat in the cell, it should be done. This process should take no longer than 30 minutes or less. Don't let the solution sit in there longer than 30 minutes. Pour the salt cell solution into the bucket and remove the stand. Then spray into the salt cell from the non-power cord side to rinse the blades. Take a look at those clean blades. All the white calcium buildup is gone. Almost done. Reinstall the cell by hand tightening each side while supporting the cell with one hand. Here, we are running the power cord back to the power source. Time to test this out. Take the pool out of service mode and turn the breaker back on. Sit back and observe for normal startup. Sometimes you may get a leak at the cell and have to readjust the connections. Also, once fully started back up, check your cell lights and ensure all is green.